In this video, you will see how to use the Verify Disabled keyword in Avo Assure to verify the disabled status of a selected object, such as clicking or providing text input for elements within SAP application when automating it. First, add a test step by selecting BTN 47 underscore BTN as the element name from the element name drop-down and verify disabled as the keyword from the descriptive keyword drop-down. Enter VD within curly brackets in the output field to reflect the status after execution. For the second step, select a generic as element name and display variable value as keyword to display the output entered in the first test step. Now, enter the same value as that in the first test step's output in the input field of the second step. Click Save to save the designed test step. Next, click Debug and click Debug again from the pop-up. This will successfully debug the designed test steps and verify the disabled status of the button 47 option on SAP landing page. A point to note here is that since the button 47 option is disabled, the output result is true.